Okay, you guys, I just got home and I'm not hungry. I am hangry. I am hungry. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick snack as I knock things over. Something I love to make. You're going to need 1 organic nori wraps or any kind of raw. These are raw sushi, USDA organic, baby. That's a hard label to come by. You're going to take these, you're going to set them down. You're going to take some mangoes, make sure they are ripe, and you're going to peel those bitches, okay? Normally I would pull my hair back, but I'm eating for one, so 0 F's given. Okay, so we're going to slice these mangoes open. Oh my God. We're going to put the mango on the nori wrap like so. Already looking yummy. And then we're going to take something fermented. You know, I got some pickled onions from Tito's Market. My favorite! We've got some Sento kimchi right here. I'm going to go with the pickled onions just because I want to eat something pink to match my dress. And I'm sticking my fingers in because I live alone. And we're going to put that right on there. Then you're going to go with something fatty, a fatty fruit, avocado, whatever. Okay, I'm out of avocado, but I found other good stuff. I found mango chutney, but we've got mango, so mango on mango. It's kind of like a Taurus dating a Taurus or a Capricorn dating a Capricorn. It just doesn't work, right? I found greens, so we're going to take some romaine lettuce. We're going to put that on there like so. So it's getting colorful. Got the pink, getting colorful. And for the little fat, since I don't have any tahini, any almond butter, any avocado, we're going to do this almond chipotle dip from Trader Joe's. It doesn't have any bullshit in it. If I eat it, there's no bullshit in it. Oh my God. We're going to roll that up. This would be so good with avocado, but I don't have avocado because I don't have a husband. See, if I had a husband, I would be like, honey, can you pick up but I don't. So on the side, instead of chips, we're going to use banana chips. Why? Because we food combine over here, watch older videos. And so we're going to put banana chips down. Now, roll that up like so. Oh my God. Honey, I need to have my husband. What is it? Okay, ready? Happy, happy dance. Go make this. So good. Go make this now.